Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over how to make your videos better. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. I post every day besides Tuesday and Thursday, so if you guys would like to get more content, make sure to stick around on my channel and watch all my videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for my first tip for how to make your videos better is editing. So editing is very, very important in making higher quality videos, because if you don't edit your videos, if you don't have jump cuts, you don't have B-roll, your videos will be uninteresting and people won't want to stay and watch your videos, which means you won't be able to get monetization and your videos won't get promoted more. So make sure you edit. I'm trying to edit more right now, so maybe I won't be able to upload as much as I am right now. So, and what I mean by B-roll is like the footage you use outside of your main footage. So I'm gonna put on some B-roll right now. So this is like footage that makes your videos more interesting and that helps to keep the viewers entertained and interested in your content. So that's all from number one. Let's go on number two. Okay, so for tip number two, the tip is audio. Now, if you have very bad audio in your videos, you are going to have such a low audience retention rate that you're not going to get any hours of watch time, and you're going to get no likes because people aren't like amused and satisfied with your content. So in order to have good audio, you need to have a good mic. Now I'm going to do a mic review on the mic I'm using right now, so make sure you stay on the channel for that. But you have to have good audio in order to keep audience retention on the video, because if you get more watch time, you'll get your videos will get promoted more and you're going to get enough hours for your monetization. So having good audio is crucial in order to have a good YouTube channel. But with that said, let's go on to tip number three. So tip number three is quality. Now quality means a lot of different things. Quality could mean the quality of the video, so 1080p, 720p, 60 fps and 30 fps. And quality could mean just the overall look of the video. Now, so what I mean by that is color grading. So in your editor, you could change the colors on the video to make them look better, or to make them pop more, so that the audience is more kind of like attracted to it and they like it more, and that will lead to subscriptions and likes. So that would also boost your promotion on YouTube, and you get more subscribers, and then it'll just keep the ball rolling, and it'll just be such a big thing once you get bigger that you'll get so many more subscribers than you used to, and it'll help you so much just by making quality over quantity. So that was tip number three, and I'm gonna wrap up the video now. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so make sure to check the channel on those days. Check out the videos on the screen now, and I'll see you guys later.